Welcome back. Let's get right to it. We've got a first alert weather day on deck for tomorrow. Here's the information here. We're tracking areas of snow, some areas of wintry mix in the Southern Valley, windy for all, a general 2 to 5 inches of snow across the northern Red River Valley, gusts up around 40 miles per hour. And that's going to lead to blowing, drifting snow, poor visibility, and of course, snowy roads as well. Right now, we've got that winter weather advisory going into effect at 6 o'clock tomorrow morning for our northern tier of counties. This is where we expect the longest duration of snow and more of that snowfall accumulation. Now, right into your first alert hour by hour forecast, we will see a brief clearing this evening, but then more clouds fill in overnight. Here comes a few flakes in the Southern Valley early tomorrow morning, but by about 7 o'clock, already exiting the Southern Valley, becoming more widespread in northeastern North Dakota, down into the James River Valley and across northern Minnesota. By lunchtime, we're pretty quiet in the Southern Valley in terms of falling precipitation, but it is going to be windy. Winds out of the south-southeast, gusting 30 to 40 miles per hour. Now watch what happens in the afternoon. Still snow lifting up to the north and east, but in the Southern Valley, we'll see some showers develop, some showers of rain, perhaps some isolated wintry mix, but temperatures are going to be quite mild compared to the north. We're talking 40s to near 50 closer to the North Dakota, South Dakota border. Strong south winds pulling in some of that warmer air. So that's the warm sector of the system. The cold sector is up across the north. Therefore, we're going to see snow there throughout our entire Wednesday rather. Then into the evening, we're going to see some snow showers moving through Lakes Country, providing a quick inch or two of accumulation. So here's the latest snowfall potential map. Again, most of it going to be northeastern North Dakota, northern Minnesota. General 2 to 5 inches of snow, but we could see some isolated areas, 5, 6, 7 inches of snow. Little to nothing here in the Southern Valley. Again, a few early flakes. It's going to melt away and be replaced with rain showers in the evening. And then you can see that band that we saw move through tomorrow evening, a quick 1 to 2 inches of snow. Right now here in Fargo, overcast skies, 28 degrees. Moorhead right at 27. We still have a few flakes moving through portions of Lakes Country at this time, but really have been diminishing over the last hour, and a few flurries through Marshall County down into Thief River Falls, Pennington County at this time as well. Here's a closer view of some of those light snow showers in Lakes Country. Now, temperatures are chilliest up to the north. We're talking 16 in Howlock, 19 in Roseau, Grand Forks, 16 in Jamestown, 18 in Oaks at this time. Still some low 30s in Lakes Country, more cloud cover and with that snow. Now, tomorrow afternoon, this is 3 o'clock temperatures in the cold sector. We're talking upper teens to 20 degrees by the 3 o'clock hour. In the warm sector, 40s and 50s, and of course, windy across the board. Now, looking at your planning forecast, a chillier day behind the system tomorrow. For Thursday, 33 degrees, start to warm up for the weekend next week. Look at those numbers. We have multiple days in the 50s. And Justin, Stacy, I wouldn't be surprised if we hit some 60s a couple of those days, particularly Monday and Tuesday.
Love to hear that, especially after a day like today.
And tomorrow.
Yeah.
Thanks, Summer. After the break.